accuracy. You get a much bigger accuracy boost without shooting without a bayonet. All right. Take off the.
Get it.
Rooftops.
Got the other tent. I got 3 tents down there. So. And I'm just trying to destroy the embankments too. They're little fortifications.
The right sky is right now taking your command unless you want to retake it back. Take off the bayonets. Take off your bayonets, backers. You take
They're
off
opposite
bayonets.
moving them to get for us.
Bayonets off. Bayonets off. If they charge at us, you put your bayonet back on. If they charge at us, you put the bayonet back on.
I got the officer.
Beautiful.
That was good. That was good. That was good.
Got one squad on me. Let's go clear the cage.
Oh, new tent to the right. Oh, okay. I'll try and go for that.
They got a tent.
Clear the cage.
Northeast.
I want everybody to get ready. Hold those bayonets. Hey, can you hear me, please? Position.
Damn, that guy got
Everybody get ready.
Little
We're about
high
to charge. On my command, let's charge. Y'all ready?
What y'all doing back here?
Ready?
Stinking.
Charge. Let's go. Charge. 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 Let's charge. Everybody charge.
If you
Team
can.
tracking gets forward. Let's go.
Ooh, I got Iron General again.
There's not many up there as there looks.
Hey, they're below us now. Just so you know, watch the ladders.
Yeah, for sure. Watch both ladders, guys.
Watch the other ladder. Watch the
There we
other.
go.
Don't
Got
get
the
bitch.
fourth,
Don't get.
fourth.
Don't be a bitch.
Attach bayonets if they're charging. Attach bayonets. If they're getting too close, equip the bayonets. All right.
fire, gentlemen, fire.
Behind us on the left side. Left side. They got a tent down. They got a tent down on the left side. Left side.
Fire roses with this
Lighthouse, dude in the lighthouse. Or the fucking tower.
Over here. We need men over here. We need good men over here.
Alright, boys. Everybody up here. Everybody move up here to this fence. Everybody move up here to this fence. Hey, everybody get ready. We might charge.
Guys, they're coming for our tent, guys, on the right. They're coming for our tent, southeast, guys. Oh, never mind, they got it with a cannon. That's wonderful. Whoop, I'll put it behind a rock so they can't destroy it with a cannon. Give me a second.
Yo, dude, move. Move, dude.
I'm back. Pushing back to the boat. Keep pushing.
No, continue singing. My friends hide.
You're mine. Cowards. Craven.
Bomba clock, voila.
Guys, over here. Come to Rex Ranger. Come to Rex Ranger. He's gonna be your companion officer.
Yeah, they're coming pretty close now, guys. They're pretty good.
Kill the sapper. Kill the bastard.
Come on, charge.
Hey, come on, right here, on the door, on the door.
No, you got.
Filthy pot-wielding bitch.
I quit.
What kind of?
I took out the squeaker talking.
Get him,
I killed the squeaker. Dude, see, I fucking knew it. The Nazis and UFOs. Invisible walls. Makes all fucking sense. Sir.
Conspiracy theorist ass looking motherfucker.
Maybe next time look to your right.
Hey guys, you
Guys, they're coming to our houses. They're coming.
Make them bust, boys. Push them until they bust.
Into the cave, now everybody into the cave, into that cave. There's so many of them. Go now.
Behind the third right eye.
Either stand here or go in.
To the caves! Keep moving to the caves!
Hey guys, we need to shoot that tent in front of us. It's directly northeast east. Shoot that tent, guys. It's the one that's going through the tunnel.
Push the cave! Push the cave!
Feed that to the spikes.
Into the caves, boys. Into the caves.
Inbred filth! Thieving bastards!
Let's push out away from the cave. We're out of good advantage here. Let's move and shoot down on this fort. This way, this way.
Alright, boys. Keep on firing. Keep on firing.
They're in the town. They're in the town.
Yeah, they are. Just play defense.
All hands down!
They got our tent. They
I'm gonna go to an elementary school.
Keep on defending this part.
Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Keep pushing.
If they leave that whole entire fort right there, and let them do, we'll kind of advance up on them.
No, go baby. Here's pineapple.
I think that's a bunch of riflemen up in the top.
Set up, set up.
Yeah, bro.
I just need someone to hit me. I gotta progress this movie.
No, we're less. We're less than. We're way less reinforced.
Saved your life, good sir.
Get ready. Get ready. They're coming. Get ready. They're coming. Hold back here, guys. Guys, hold them. Guys, don't go down the stairs. Guys, hold up here, guys. Mike ready. Mike ready.
I think they're pushing out. They're pushing out. I think they're pushing out. Hold on.
Yeah.
Look at that, we made it. Hello, how's it going up there?
Don't push down, guys. Don't push down. Come back.
No, come down, please. I beg of you. It's nice and healthy.
Boys, it's each other. Shut up.
Come on. Let's go.
Use the line, use the
There,
line.
there.
Fire at will. Use the line.
They're firing, guys.
Fire at will.
Which one's
Fire
Will?
all and utilize
Oh, the
the
guys
ones
are
here
coming
to
from
shoot.
the guys are coming from.
Oh, that's
Let's go up the stairs, go, up the stairs. Let's go, take them all out, destroy the emplacements, destroy the barbed wire. Kill the guy with the cannon, kill the guy with the cannon.
we're doing it. We did it.
We captured it. Let's flank them, let's destroy their tents, they're in here. Go, no, on the left side, go outside the caves, go outside.
Come on, boys. Come on, boys.
Let's do this. I'm here, Ash. I'm here.
Hell yeah, bro. Let's get him.
Let's fucking do this. I can't see
Thanks,
anything.
sir. Appreciate that.
I can't see anything.
There's some key, boys. Let's not let them go further.
Coming to our entrance right here.
Let me go further. Let me attack you.
Come here, guys, go through the cave.
Push up. Go in there. They're losing people there. Yep. Keep going. They're losing. Charge back into our cave. We retook the cave. Keep pushing.
Go, let's go.
Go down the stairs. Don't go down the stairs. Stay up the stairs, guys. Up the stairs.
Right in your chest. Like, eat it, you know?
Go, inside the cave, let's go.
They're coming. Guys, get back. Guys, scoot back. Guys, scoot back.
Device here. You like
Scoot
it?
back. Crouch and get back. Guys. Crouch. Do not fire, guys. Do not fire. Everyone crouch.
Rally up in here. Everyone
Don't kill me when you fire, boy.
we only have
Look at this one.
charge.
You gonna take that shit?
You ready?
Everybody hold your fire. Hold your fire.
Hold fire.
Fire.
Kill them all.
Oh, good work. Yeah.
Yeah, boy, goddamn. Gophers in this goddamn game.
Yo, you guys are fighting.
With me.
each other.
You're not with. I guess you can.
Our charges are insane.
That was a horrible charge.
They're ready to charge it in, boys. They're charging
Guys, charging again, guys.
All of them done dead.
I should have, guys.
Load the swivel. Load it with grape shot.
20-point difference. No matter life.
Fire. Shoot, he's got him. Get ready. Get to the stairs. Crouch behind the line, guys. Crouch behind the front. Crouch behind. Don't peek your head. Get ready. Do not fire. Get back. Do not fire. Hold fire, guys. Hold fire.
Aiming at me. Why'd you say it like that?
Hold fire, guys.
Back off.
Hold fire, guys. Make ready.
Alright, guys, let's charge. What the hell we doing? What is this, Toys R Us?
While we all here, let's charge down the fucking stairs. Let's go.
This is goddamn army reenactment day.
That guy's screaming, guys. Just hold our stairs. Don't let him down.
No, I'm not listening. He's in the way he's positioned.
Fuck.
Reload on the back line, guys. Reload on the back line. Reload on the middle line, guys. Reload on the middle line. Do not go down there, guys. Why are we going down?
Alright, guys, we're gonna go down there because we ain't a bunch of sissies. Alright?
Let's charge. Three. 1, 2, 3.
I grew up on the back of a mountain. About 14 years ago.
Goes to
Maybe
Pussy
down.
Guy Dog.
City. It's pretty cool.
me to charge. I just charged, guys. I don't know. I'm just a peon. I'm just a soldier here, guys.
It's not the funnest, but we have to play defensive if we want to win.
They're coming back on top.